Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the compliance challenges and solutions for digital banking. Friend, we know that digital banking nowadays very common, that many people are using mobile apps, the online banking websites, the ATMs, POS applications, contact based and contactless transactions. So many things are there, and if we talk about the changes as compared to traditional banking, so now the banking is totally changed, and now it came into the era of digital banking where everything is digital. Like if you want to open an account, so it is not necessary for you to visit the bank branch. You can open the account from the mobile application here as well. But now friend, when where the digital banking is creating different opportunities and different the facilitation for the customer, here there are some compliance challenges as well. Compliance means that different complexities related to customer data and standards and regulations, and there are some solutions as well. So today we shall discuss it in detail. So friend, compliance challenges in digital banking arise from the need to adhere to a complex and evolving set of regulations and standards. Given the rapidly changing technological landscape and the increasing prevalence of digital financial services, banks face unique challenges in ensuring that their operations align with the legal requirements and industry best practices. So first we talk about compliance challenges, in which first we talk about data privacy regulations. Friend, compliance with data privacy regulations such as General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) and other regional data protection laws are there. The solution here is that implement robust data protection measures, obtain explicit user consent, and regularly audit data handling practices. Friend, I'm sure that whenever you have ever installed any mobile applications related to camera and pictures, so they will ask you that they want application want to use your camera, for example. Like for example, any application which want to use your location, so they will ask the customer whether he will allow his consent to access his location or not. So basically customer data or general data is very sensitive, very important, and it should be maintained properly here as well. Then money laundering, AML, and know your customer, KYC. Friend, verification of customer identities, monitoring transactions for suspicious activities, and complying with AML and KYC regulation is also a big challenge here as well. The solution here is that to implement an automated KYC process, utilize advanced analytics for transaction monitoring, and conduct regular AML risk assessments here as well. Friend, every country will not allow any money laundering case. So for that purpose we have a proper system of anti money laundering, and there are solutions for that which are called as AML solutions, and every country will restrict the money laundering strictly. Then cybersecurity compliance means that ensuring compliance with cybersecurity regulations and safeguarding digital assets from cyber threats here as well. The solution here is that regularly update cybersecurity protocols, conduct vulnerability assessments, and adhere to relevant cybersecurity frameworks here as well. Friend, cybersecurity is very important in banking sector. Like they are evolving, they are changing, but the different solutions nowadays available which ensure that the cybersecurity standards must be meet in the organizations. Then cross border regulations, the challenge here is that managing regulatory differences across jurisdictions for international digital banking services. The solution here is that implement robust cross border compliance programs, engage in regulatory dialogues, and leverage technology to adapt to various legal requirements. Friend, whenever we are performing transactions from one country to another, for example, you need to perform a transaction from Pakistan to USA or from USA to Pakistan. So there are several challenges. Maybe challenges due to cross-border things. So these things should have to be managed properly through the dialogue and through various legal requirements. Then payment service regulations. The challenge here, the compliance with payment service regulations, including PSD2 in the European Union, to ensure secure and open banking practices. The solution here is that to adopt secure open banking APIs, provide strong customer authentication, and collaborate with third party providers in compliance with regulatory frameworks here as well. Then regulatory reporting means that meeting the reporting requirements imposed by regulatory bodies and ensuring accuracy in data submission here as well. The solution is that implement automated reporting systems, conduct regular internal audits, and stay informed about changes in reporting standards. Then digital accessibility compliance means the challenge here is that ensuring that digital banking services are accessible to individuals with disabilities in compliance with accessibility standards. The solution that conduct accessibility assessments, adopt universal design principles, and provide assistive technologies for users with disabilities. Vendor and third party risk management. The challenge here that managing risk associated with third party vendors and ensuring their compliance with applicable regulations. The solution is that establish robust vendor risk management programs, conduct due diligence on third party vendor providers, and include contractual obligations related to compliance. Now we can talk about the solutions in detail. First solution is the regulatory technology, RegTech. Basically, friend, leverage RegTech solutions that use technologies such as artificial intelligence and automation to help bank comply with regulations more efficiently and properly here as well. Blockchain for transparency means that explore the use of blockchain for transparent and tamper-proof record keeping, which can facilitate compliance with certain regulatory requirements. Continuous monitoring and audits means implement continuous monitoring systems for compliance and conduct regular or internal and external audits to identify and address potential issues. Many organizations, they have already implemented software applications through which they can thoroughly or properly monitor the data transactions, and they involve external and internal audits as well. Then compliance training means provide comprehensive compliance training to employees to ensure awareness and adherence to regulatory requirements. Obviously, if employees knows it properly about the compliance, they can educate other people as well, and it will be beneficial for your organization as well.